Welcome to day 2 of Miss Pottinger's class. I'm Miss Garcia. We're going to start it off with a dice game. If you do not have a set of dice, I'm going to show you exactly what you can use. Give me 1 second. So if you go online and you go to random.org, we're going to pull up a dice roller. Here it is. I'm only going to select one set of dice, and I'm going to roll my dice. I have come up with a 6. And so when I am playing my game, my dice game, if I rolled a 6, I am going to do a wall sit for 30 seconds. Okay. And then I would just switch back to my dice roller again and roll again. And now I have a 1. So then I would do high jump. So I'm going to go ahead and post this link for what are the different options. It says you're going to complete the 8, so 30 seconds each time. High jumps, we have belly breaths. Those are the, put your hand on your belly for 30 seconds. Send a nice message in the chat. So when we're in class, we'll be doing that. Calf raises. We're going to sit in our chair and raise up our legs. And then number 5, think about something that happened this week and write it down on how you feel about it. So there's 6 different options and you're kind of switching through all of those. This is our matching activity that has been attached to your documents. It is in your assignments for this week. So you need to match up which one of these is a mental activity. Is it high jumps, belly breathing, sending a nice message in the chat, calf raises, thinking about something that happened this week and writing down how you feel about it, or wall sits. And then the same thing, which one's going to help us socially and which is going to help us physically. And why do we care about all these health concepts in the beginning and for any reason whatsoever? Put that in the chat and we can have a conversation about that in class. If you miss class, go ahead and send me a little private message about why we care about health concepts. And we are striving to do the best that we can. Big old air hugs. You guys have a great week.